Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off show up and search results on your Reddit. We will go to turn off this mark or know how we can do that. We just go up here in this picture, we will click, then we get this window show for us like you said, then we just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window, then we just click here our account settings for you, then we come to our account settings here in this window, then we just go down, you just go down here and we come here to show up and search results. So we'll go to turn off. We just click here on this is mark or this color, and like you say color it's gone. That's mean show up and search results is turned off now. So that's all you have to do to turn off this mark. So that's all. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about our Reddit settings.